Hello, I'm Dr. Jody Reed. In this series, we explore the brain, behavior, and mental health. In this video, we'll look at how the brain is divided into lobes and how structure relates to function. One of the most important principles in neuroscience is laterality. Brain functions are not distributed evenly across the two hemispheres. This pattern isn't unique to humans. It's been observed in many vertebrates, including fish and birds. Laterality allows the brain to specialize. Instead of duplicating the same function on both sides, different regions take on dominant roles, improving efficiency. This principle becomes especially important when we talk about language, attention, and emotion. The brain is divided into four major lobes, named after the skull bones that overlie them. The frontal lobe occupies the front portion of the brain. Behind it lies the parietal lobe, followed by the occipital lobe at the back. The temporal lobe sits lower on the side of the brain beneath a deep lateral fissure. These boundaries are marked by prominent grooves called sulci, while the raised ridges between them are called gyri. This folding dramatically increases the brain's surface area, allowing more cortex to fit inside the skull. The arrangement of gyri and sulci is not random. Specific gyri are consistently associated with specific functions: movement, sensation, vision, hearing, and language. When lesions or developmental abnormalities affect these regions, they produce predictable clinical symptoms. This structural functional relationship is foundational in neuropsychiatry. Understanding brain lobes and surface anatomy gives us a map. In the next video, we'll focus specifically on the frontal lobe, which plays a central role in movement, decision-making, and behavior.